Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch Facebook back to light mode on your PC using the latest update. If you've been using dark mode and now want to go back to the classic bright theme, it's really easy to do. Let's get started. First, open Facebook on your PC by going to the website and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on your profile photo, and a menu will drop down with several options. From this menu, click on Display and Accessibility. This is where you can customize your Facebook experience, including adjusting the theme of the site. Next, in the Display and Accessibility section, look for the Dark Mode option. If Dark Mode is currently enabled, you'll see that it's turned on. To switch back to the light theme, all you need to do is click off under Dark Mode. Once you click off, Facebook will automatically switch back to the light theme, which has a bright background with dark text. This is the classic, more vibrant look that Facebook has been known for. And that's it. You've now switched Facebook back to light mode on your PC. It's super easy to toggle between light and dark mode depending on your preference. If you prefer a brighter, more traditional look, light mode is the way to go. If you ever want to switch back to dark mode, just follow the same steps and click on. If this video helped you out, be sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.